Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing an ASMR video. So let's get inside the video. Yo. See, when you can just do that but make sounds. Let me make an Instagram story. Sorry about that noise. That's just a machine right now. I can't do a video for long. Oh, that was a cool noise. There we go. There we go, yeah. Oh my God, something. Yeah, don't do that. You want me to turn it off? No, you can't. Why? Clear sign, but it's foggy right now. No, don't me. Hey, so want to make want to take like a bit of slime, like this much, and take all the foam beads out of here and put it in there, so it can be a lot of foam beads and a little bit of slime. Okay, the ASMR video is done. We're gonna take beads and put it into little amounts of slime. How's yours so easy? How's yours so easy? Oh my God, thingy. Yours is easy. Mine's hard. Mine's clear sign, so it's like glue. Oh, so guys, I'm sorry if I don't post. I might be sick, or I might just forget. If I forget, I'll post more than forget it. I'll just post a lot of videos in that day. So I might not post in a few days, for like 3 days, because there's gonna be no internet. So yeah. So this is the slime that we're gonna be adding beads into. More than I forget the name. Usual. Yeah, more than usual. I corrected her. Sorry, I just forget to say words. None is easy. I have a test on Friday, so. Oh, also it's like school day, so I have to post at like when I'm done with school, and sometimes I can't post because I have to study for tests. So I might not post for a while. And when it's summer, I can post like 10 videos a day. And maybe my brother will make the decision of making a YouTube channel. Probably no, or probably yes. So how much I make cost something. I know, but can you please make a YouTube channel? Because maybe you get like 1 million subs. I want to make this video 18 minutes long. So can you tell Mom and Papa to be quiet because I'm making a video? Can you go tell Mom and Papa to be quiet because I'm making a video? My brother will be back. He's just telling me. So, also I'll tell you where to get these things, and I'll let you know in the description. It's not online. You actually have to go and buy. And Steven, do you want to make this video 18 minutes long? Yeah. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. So we're gonna have to play with slime. 14 more minutes. Yep. Also, maybe in the next video, my brother can make his own video on my YouTube channel to see how comfortable he is. Here, let me put this right here. This is the slime with where I'm gonna put the most beads in it. There's that much so far. It's gonna be really poppy. Oof. I'm gonna have to eat. What time is it? 1 second. If you guys know what 23 times 72 is, if you get it right in the comments, you have to make a YouTube channel.
Oh, no. If you get it right, you get, I don't even know, but if you get it right, you get a shout out or I'll heart your comment.
You mean like?
And the first person to comment this video will get a shout out and a like their video and heart their video. And if they have a YouTube channel, I'll subscribe. That's how I love all my subscribers.
I'm almost done.
And if you subscribe to me, I'll give you a shout out and heart your comment if you comment too.
Me?
So could you please do that for me?
No.
My brother is so rude. And then I'll also make a slime with no beads in it.
She's even ruder. Every day she hits me.
I know, it's because he leaves me. Steve, that's my YouTube channel. Okay, I don't hit him. It's just he makes me mad. And I don't abuse him. I just hit him. It's like this.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, once, Steven, I can get arrested. I can get arrested. Okay, it's almost April Fool's, and I bet he's joking. So are you joking?
Huh?
Are you joking about me hitting you? It's almost April Fool's. I never hit him, right?
Maybe.
I do. I hit him sometimes like this. Because he'd be rude to me and go like, to me. It's not my fault.
Okay, guys, I was actually joking, so... Yeah, don't unsubscribe or else.
Steven, shut up. You're going to make them unsubscribe if you say or else. I know a lot about YouTube. Also, I'll make a Roblox video. I'll try. Okay, guys? I'll try. Don't
with me.
Steven, if you want to be with me, make a YouTube channel. This used to be a disgusting color. It was like so disgusting, and then I just dyed it. I was like, I've had enough of this color. I want to make it purple. And I felt like purple would match this a lot. So I'm just going to take some slime out of this. I feel like I'm talking to nobody, but I'm talking to people. I just made a YouTube channel because I never had like anybody that talked to me on YouTube except my friends that are on YouTube. Like, oh, you know Evie. And also, if you want to subscribe to her on YouTube, I'll tell you her channel in the description.
You even know how to write in the description?
Yes. What? Hey! Ew. Put some of his on your mind.
Hey, not ew. It's cool.
Blue is better than purple. And when I get a phone, I'll make videos and it'll be way better than my iPad. Oh yay, we only have 10 more minutes of this video. But we're gonna make it longer than 18 minutes because we have to finish this, like, making the beads and stuff.
Yeah. So we just gotta wait.
I'll show you how much I got with the no beads. This is how much I got with the no beads. This is how much I got with the beads so far.
I got way more.
I'm just gonna like do this. So what do you want to talk about while we're doing this, Steven?
Fire.
Okay, my brother wants to talk about fire, so he'll talk with you right now while I'm doing this. You can talk to him. Steven, you don't have to do that. Steven, you don't have to do that. You can just talk. My brother's right here. If you know, it's just like the camera's not big enough for him. So
Fire. Fire is very important.
he just likes fire a lot, so he just wants to talk about it. Yay, we have 8 minutes left in the video.
Or more.
Oh my gosh,
Fire. Fire is very important for you. If you don't have fire, you will drown because of water.
I just gotta get that.
Oh yeah, and guys, this is how much I have on my slime so far. A lot. Way more than her. Mirna, you can't get arrested.
No, I'm doing nothing. I'm just saying.
You should tell them what your name is.
My name is my YouTube channel. Oh, and maybe me and him will make a YouTube channel together.
We should.
Sis and bro.
Stupid sis and good bro.
Oh, he's rude. I'm not stupid. Well, let me say something to you.
Huh?
Girls go to college to get more knowledge. Boys go to Jupiter to get more stupider. Huh?
Please shut up.
Please shut up.
You can get arrested.
I'm doing nothing. Well, if you guys were wondering, this is jiggly slime. We need jiggly slime. I'll tell you guys the glue kind and where to get the beads. Well, you typically get the beads at a craft store, like Walmart, because that's where I got them, Walmart. But be careful because they fall everywhere. But they're really sticky to your slime, which is pretty good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and guys, don't put Orbeez in your slime because they will fall out and make a mess.
Ew, mosquito! Ew. I hate mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are pure. And guys, if you're wondering, I have no idea what he's doing. He's just a crazy boy.
You're a crazy girl, trust me.
Okay,
5 more minutes.
no, maybe even more.
Yeah. Stupid.
Steven, shush.
I didn't call
Okay,
you.
I'm sorry, guys. We're not gonna do the hide and seek video because my YouTube, you don't really know how to do it because I have the iPad, so we're not gonna do hide and seek videos.
Yes, we should, Mirna.
Well, we should, but I don't really like hide and seek. It's pretty boring. Yeah,
I don't like Roblox.
He doesn't like Roblox, and he has Roblox.
Well, I kind of do like Roblox.
Then why did you let mom and dad buy Roblox? Okay. La, la, la. Okay, so
Yeah, and guys, if you're wondering what my name is Steven.
he'll eventually be making a YouTube channel, and I'll send a link to his YouTube channel or something, or I'll just tell you guys his YouTube channel name, and then you can search it up.
I didn't even make one yet.
Well, you should.
Well, maybe I shouldn't.
Well, you should, because people are not gonna hate, and if they hate, oh, I'm gonna dislike their thing. If you guys be mean to me or my brother a lot, I might have to dislike the video. Like, no, not dislike the video. Dislike your comment, because, Or just like still hard and be nice, but please
Don't be mean.
No, please don't be mean. Like I hate comments. So just be nice.
Yeah, and please, if you see us on Roblox, please friend us, and please don't hate on us.
Why friend us? No, I meant like if you want to give me something, or like not Pet Simulator, or like Bubblegum Simulator, Bloxburg, or those, or trading games, of course, just send me just friend my character and then I'll accept it. You just gotta tell me on YouTube first and tell me your username.
If you have a Roblox account, just tell us the username in the comments.
And I'll friend you.
And me.
Mhm.
Even though we don't know you.
Yeah, we'll just friend you and then unfriend you because our parents said we can't friend strangers. Only friend them for a little bit amount of time. We can friend you for about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And talk to you.
Yeah.
And if we feel like we know you, we'll and if you're like nice, we'll keep you as a friend forever.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna say our address in P.O. Box because I don't think we know because we're just kids and we don't know. So
yeah. I'm 7 and she's 8.
He's almost 8 and I'm almost 9. By the way, if you guys would want to know, if you guys, the only thing I want from you guys is support. Because my birthday is in 2 more months. My birthday is May 9th.
My birthday is in 5 more months.
His birthday is on August 20th. 20. Is it 20 or 21st?
20.
I don't even know my birthday. This answer part is pretty gross. It doesn't feel that good.
Really, let me feel.
Oh yeah. Yours feels gross.
No, it feels good.
It's because you don't have enough in it.
I mean, I put tons of it in here.
He's crazy, by the way, so I'm sorry.
Mirna? Should we make a YouTube channel together where we say bad words and stuff?
No!
Like Logan Paul and Jake Paul?
No, I'm not saying bad words.
I've said bad words before.
On accident. See, this is YouTube. You're just a kid. By the way, I lied. Nobody said they wanted to see your face. I just wanted you to be on it. You could get arrested for saying that. Oh, it's been 18 minutes.
Yeah, we should not stop.
Yeah, I want to stay until I'm dead.
Dead?
No, I'm just kidding. What the heck, boy?
What the heck? I probably have more beats than you. Feel this. It has like little. Is that your big pile left?
Mhm.
Yo, Mirna.
Hmm.
Feel this slime and see how much more there are.
Well, that's a lot.
There's like 0.
There's more, you just can't see them. That's why I like mine, because I can see them. Did you know the slime with the beads? It was like this big, and now it's just like this big. The beads just make it more.
Yeah, I was like 0 there. Almost. I have like 0 left.
Yeah, but you still gotta stay in the video and do something. And you should have not got that much slime. You should have put a little bit less.
Why?
Because look at mine. Look how big mine is.
Well, Mirna, when I put my beads in, it has all this slime. That's why it got big. And I don't want to take all the stuff off because that would take long.
And also, if you guys want me to do another cover, just tell me the song and then I'll do it.
What about that?
Well, I'm gonna use that one
Later.
No, when I'm done doing this one.
You have like tons more. I have like almost 0.
Okay, now this one. Oh my god, look at this. I got this one right now. Wanna help me to do mine because you're like almost done?
When I'm done taking this hair out of my slime.
Huh. Whose hair is it?
I don't know. It's brown.
That's probably yours.
It probably is.
How big was it? How big was it?
Bigger than my hair. It was like, besides my
it's
middle
mom's hair.
finger.
Then it's mom's hair.
If I found more.
Like the slime that I put in was about this big, and then look how big it turned. It's like a pancake. It's super hard right now. It's like that's what all the a lot of beads do. Just makes it super hard. It's so hard. And a little bit more of that. Okay, guys, I have to go in a little bit, so we're just gonna stay like right for now. The video will be over in a bit, but we'll continue tomorrow.
Hey guys. Sorry guys, that was my parent. That's my dad right there. That's my dad.
I'm sorry if you see people in the background, that's my parents.
Okay, so guys, I'm taking over the video, and so like I'm probably almost done. I think I only have like a little bit more in here.
Excuse me.
Here's taking over the channel.
No, you do not take over. Oh, what should I call my subscribers? What should I call my subscribers?
You should call them Marios.
Oh, I'm good idea. Oh, for all you girls out there, you're gonna be called unicorns. And for those boys out there, what should the boys be?
Uni boys.
No,
Yucca
the boys are gonna be
Yucca boys.
Yeah, the boys are gonna be fireballs. See, when I went on that video, the screen just turned green.
Okay.
It actually happens to everybody. It doesn't show up in the video though. I think that's just how you.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done.
What?
We're taking over.
Okay, now you just gotta play with it.
Yeah, I think I have one more. Yep.
You just gotta play with it now, okay? Just talk to them, okay? Just talk to them while I'm making
That
more. Huh? Okay, well, like, can you talk to them too? Because you're not talking that much in the video.
I'll put this in my container. Okay guys, so I'm done taking out all my beads from my big slime, and here's all the beads that I have in right here.
Let me show you guys. Sorry if it's dark, guys. I'm sorry. We just can't turn on the lights right now. The lighting.
I have to see the noise.
That sounds fun. Oh my god, I got so much in mine right now.
I got way more.
Mine feels so hard. Sorry, I don't really like it right now.
That kind of made it worse.
Like, look, this one feels great.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done, Mom. Oh my god, it's been 26 minutes.
That's a lot of time.
Make great poking noises, though. Maybe tomorrow I'll do an ASMR video. I don't know.
Oh no, Mirna. I just mixed all of them up. Now I have to restart. Copy. Here's my good popping noise.
That's not popping noise, that's poking. Oh, can you tell your friends to subscribe to my channel too?
No.
But you're on it. Oh my god. I'm almost done, guys.
Mirna, can you move your slimes, please? I need to do something. Yeah, that's better. This could be a jump rope.
Nope.
Okay.
See, man, don't put it on the ground. It's just your slime.
It's just my slime, boy.
يلا بابي خلصت؟ أزلي بقى كيف راح يجون يفوتون من الباب بس يفتحون عليكي.
Okay, 1 second, guys.
إيدي يلا يكفي بقى هذا هو. اللي يعمل فيديو ما يتشلم.
Sorry, that's my mom. Please just ignore her.
Please, you need to
Oh, just pretend that's not there. Okay, guys, I'm done. Steven! Steven! Steven, pretend. Steven! Okay, just like.
أنا موتك تعال.
Please shut up.
وش؟ ولا؟ وشو؟ كيف أزعل معك؟
Yeah, so why you burp?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'm leaving the channel. Bye.
No, Steven, help. There's something in this one.
What, here?
Yeah, why'd you put it in my
Yep,
slime?
I didn't. I had to hear my slime, and then I took it out. It was hard. Oh, this feels so
You
hot.
don't need the channel now. I need you for a second. Please?
I'm only gonna stay here if I can't help you.
Okay, you don't have to.
Oh my gosh, can't
Okay, guys.
This is the final results. Mirna, you still have more.
There.
No, Mirna, you still have more.
Here. What?
Mirna, I found this but yours.
I don't care.
How do you edit? I need to edit.
I don't.
Bye, guys.